In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to loop a video in Google Slides. If you've ever wanted your presentation to feel seamless with a video that keeps playing without any awkward pauses or manual clicks, you're in the right place. By the end of this walkthrough, your video will start on its own and repeat as long as you stay on that slide, giving your presentation a polished, professional flow. Let's begin by getting your video into the slide. Open Google Slides and head to the slide where you want the video to appear. At the top, click Insert, then choose Video from the drop-down menu. A window will open where you can either paste a YouTube link or search for a video directly on YouTube. Once you've found the one you want, click Insert. The video will drop into your slide, ready to be positioned. Now, adjust the placement and size so it looks just right. Click the video to select it, then drag it to where you want it on the slide. To resize, grab any corner handle and drag inward or outward. Resizing from the corners keeps the proportions balanced so the video doesn't look stretched or squished. Aim for a size that supports your message without overwhelming other content on the slide. After you place the video, look to the right side of the screen for the Format Options panel. This panel controls how the video behaves during your presentation. In the playback settings, check the box that says autoplay when presenting. With this enabled, your video will start automatically whenever you arrive at that slide, eliminating the need to click play in front of your audience. With autoplay set, it's time to make the video loop. Click the present button at the top to start your slideshow. Once you're in full screen mode, navigate to the slide that contains your video. Right-click directly on the video and select Loop from the menu that appears. This tells Google Slides to repeat the video continuously without any additional input from you. That's it. With these simple settings in place, your video will automatically start and then keep looping for as long as you stay on that slide. This is a great way to maintain momentum, reinforce a message, or create a dynamic backdrop while you speak. I hope this guide helped you set up looping videos with confidence. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.